Hello, dear friends. I am Amit Belekar, and welcome back to my channel Tips and Tricks by AMB. In previous video, we discussed that the process of separating solid from the fluid by passing it through a porous medium is called as filtration. We also discussed that the suspension to be filtered is called as slurry. Porous medium is called as filtration medium. Solid retaining on the porous medium is called as filter cake, and liquid or fluid passes through the filter medium is called as filtrate. In this session, we are going to discuss theory of filtration and factors affecting filtration. After going through this session, the learner will be able to describe theory of filtration and describe the factors which governs the rate of filtration. So let's start with theory of filtration. Any fluid while passing through a porous medium offer resistance to the flow of fluid. This resistance governs the rate of flow of fluid and ultimately the rate of filtration. Increase in the resistance decreases the rate of flow of fluid. The factors affecting the rate of filtration were studied by a scientist named Darcy. He expressed it in the form of an equation which is known as Darcy's law, and it is Q is equal to Ka delta P divided by eta L. This is Darcy's equation, where Q is volumetric flow rate, K is permeability coefficient, which depends upon nature of precipitate to be filtered and filter medium. A is area of the filter bed. Delta P is the pressure difference on the liquid and below the filter medium. Eta is viscosity of the fluid, and L is thickness of filter cake. Now, here is a reflection spot. Try to understand the Darcy's equation and try to list out the factors which affect flow rate. Try to make two lists of the factors which increases the rate of filtration and which decreases the rate of filtration. Pause the video. After you finish, play the video again. Let me clear you that the factors which affect flow rate can ultimately affect the rate of filtration. Herewith, I am giving the factors which affects the filtration and flow rate. Compare your list with this list. And the factors affecting rate of filtration are surface area of filter medium, pressure difference across the filter medium, viscosity of fluid, temperature of fluid, pore size of filter media, particle size, thickness of cake, and nature of solid material. Let's discuss these factors one by one. First is surface area of filter medium. As per Darcy's law, the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the surface area of filter media. Thus, increase in the surface area of filter media increases the rate of filtration. You can see here that regular folded filter paper has a less surface area than multiple folded filter paper. Or use of a fluted funnel may also increases the effective surface area of the filter paper for filtration. Filter press works on the same principle. Next factor is pressure difference across the membrane. As per the equation, the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the pressure difference between the two sides of the filter medium. that is, across the filter medium. Thus, the rate of filtration can be increased by either applying pressure on the liquid being filtered or by decreasing pressure beneath the filter medium. Next factor is viscosity of the fluid. As shown in the equation, the rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the viscosity of the liquid undergoing filtration. You can see here highly viscous liquids get filtered slowly in comparison with liquids of low viscosity. Another factor is not directly acting on flow rate, rather acts indirect. It is temperature of liquid. Just now we discussed that rate of flow is inversely proportional to the viscosity of liquid to be filtered. But viscosity of a liquid depends upon its temperature, isn't it? Viscosity of a liquid can be reduced by increasing its temperature. As viscosity reduces, rate of filtration increases. Thus, temperature accelerates the rate of filtration. That is, filtration of syrup is more quickly takes place when it is hot than cold. Another factor is pore size of filter media. As per equation, rate of filtration depends upon permeability coefficient. It depends upon nature of precipitate to be filtered and pore size of filter medium. Permeability coefficient is more when filter media is coarse and it is less when filter media is fine. Thus, the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the pore size of filter medium. If liquid contains coarse particles, the rate of filtration can be increased by using coarse filter media for filtration. If fine filter media is used, then the rate of filtration decreases. Next factor is particle size. We just discussed that rate of filtration depends upon permeability coefficient and which is dependent upon nature of precipitate to be filtered and pore size of the filter medium. Nature of precipitate means size of particles to be removed by filtration. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the particle size of particles to be removed. It is easier to filter a liquid having coarse particles than having fine particles. Hence, before filtration, the particle size of solids should be increased by converting particles into agglomerates or aggregates, or particle size can be increased by precipitation reaction. Another factor is thickness of cake. As shown in the equation, the rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the thickness of the filter cake formed during the process of filtration. As the filtration process proceeds, the solid particles deposit on the filter medium and form the cake. Thickness of the filter cake resists or opposes the flow of liquid. As the process proceeds, further thickness of the cake increases and it decreases the rate of filtration. Now, last factor is nature of solid material. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the porosity of the filter cake. The porosity of the filter cake depends upon the nature of solid particles forming the cake. Some solids form thick or impermeable cake while some form porous cake. Impermeable cake produces resistance to filtration and decreases the rate of filtration. Sometimes filter aids are used to make the cake porous and increases the rate of filtration. Now it's time to summarize this session. First, we discussed Darcy's equation, which describe the factors affecting rate of filtration. Then we discussed various factors like surface area of filter medium, pressure difference, viscosity of fluid, temperature of fluid, pore size of filter media, particle size, thickness of cake, and nature of solid materials which affects the rate of filtration. Thank you for watching this video patiently. If you think this video is useful, please like it and share it with your dear ones who will also get benefited from this video. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. If you have any query, ask me in the comments or on my mail address. Thank you once again and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.